In this video, we are moving forward with our Can I Start a Business with No Money challenge. So what we're going to do is just search on Google for free hosting and see what pops up. Okay, we have free domain and hosting, cheap hosting, free domains, host without cost, free hosting. Let's take a look at that. We provide absolutely free web hosting with all features and tools you need to create a website. Free hosting is valid for the entire lifetime of your domain. Okay. They also have paid hosting and domain registration. Let's learn more to see what they are talking about. Freehosting.com offers you what other free web hosting services out there simply cannot. We give you the full range of tools and resources you need for creating all kinds of websites. That's interesting. 100% free hosting for life. There is no free trial period. Free hosting is valid for the entire lifetime of your domain. Hosting for your own domain name. You can host your own domain name with us even if it was registered elsewhere. If you don't and we'll continue to the client area. All right. That was pretty good. Okay. So we have successfully gotten free hosting, and as we can see, and the first part of our little project is taken care of. In the next video, what we'll do is set up our website.